How to share Google Docs with others. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Google Docs document with others. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Docs app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just open the document that you want to share. And now here, once you're inside the document, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu that appears, you can just scroll down and tap on share and export. And now here on the next pop-up, you can just tap on share. And here, once you do that, on the next page, you have to enter the email address of the person that you want to share the document with. And here you can choose whether they can be a viewer, commenter, or editor. And finally, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on send icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can share a Google Docs document with others. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.